Hi. Yes, Game Maker. Um, what I wanted to say was I've started the prototype, uh, iterating from the concept document that I made. I'm doing it in Game Maker because it's quick and it's easy and I can get it done ready for going over to the other engine. I can get sprites done really fast, even though they're not really good looking at the moment. They're really quick and simple. Uh, it's just for the purpose of the prototype, so that I can get the engine all done and see how the game actually works before actually starting on any sort of robust assets. If I started making all the assets and the game was crap, I'd kick myself. To be honest, but there we go. So anyway, did little things like the manual covers, the inside of the manual, digital clock, just all sorts of stuff like that. Really, snaps, just really quick and easy stuff. A bit of code. For instance, the clock controller has quite a bit of code to it. In the step event, it's not an amazing amount of code, to be honest. Um, yeah, but like a yeah, the code isn't huge, but it does what I want it to do. Yeah, and it's efficient, so that's the main thing, and it can all be drawn. Okay, so here we go. The code. What I'm telling the game to do is to pause on the startup. So when this manual is out, it's the game starts paused, exactly like I wanted it to do in the concept paper. Um, the actual layout is gonna be somewhat similar to the one in Unity. I'm planning on it just being a fixed screen, of course. This won't be the first screen you see. There'll be an animation, of course, running into this, just showing who the design team logos, stuff like that, and probably a splash screen and start and options and things like that. But this will be the main game screen anyway. Um, but in here you can see the cameras at the top here, kind of like just a quick layout I made in Game Maker itself. The camera cameras won't actually come into play till until 12 o'clock, um, and customers won't start arriving until this starts ticking. So you can actually grab the British Library manual and you could put it down on the desk, and then the game starts ticking. When the game starts ticking, the customers will come in from this side, and when the customer comes in, I'll have a bit more sorted out here. So there'll be a like a computer monitor, another paraphernalia along the desk. The customer will ask questions. The script will come along here, of which you can sort out the problems to his questions. Say for instance, he'll come along and drop something on the desk here, like a library card. You scan the library card or the book or whatever, and give that back to him. Put it in the just stuff like that, really. Um, at 12 o'clock, the these will open up, and you'll have little buttons here which can sort of kind of like be a root beer tapper. You'll have customers lining up here and then going into the function rooms, the exhibits here. When they're in the exhibit rooms, that's when I'll have states of the customers can change, uh, and that will save as an integer and come into here. it'll just be off-screen magic, guys. I promise. And when they come on here, then they might be changed. So I'll have all sorts of different aesthetic looks for them for the changed characters. But yeah, all you can do at the moment is put things on the desk and take things off the desk. But I've got that code working seamlessly, so it's the feedback loops are very efficient. Paused and paused. Of course, there'll be a pause button if you press the escape button, which will go into a splash screen for changing options and exiting the game, that sort of thing. But for now, this works like I wanted it to work, which is cool. Who knows what I can achieve in day 2? So yeah, this is just day 1 at the moment. Okay, thanks for checking it out. More to come. Any questions, just ask away and I'll answer as best I can. But yeah, so okay, thank you. Bye.